Here are all the keyboard modes that you can find on your Samsung phone for your Samsung keyboard, and this can be on any Samsung phone with Android 15. So basically, let's just say you're about to start typing, and your Samsung keyboard will pop up like this here. You can change the mode by tapping on these three dots right there, and you'll see modes right here. You got modes, and one of them is the one-handed keyboard. So we'll start with this one here, the one-handed one. When you tap on it, you'll have this here. If you're a right-hander, it's going to be for your right hand. Tapping on this little arrow right here where my thumb is will bring it to the left for you left-handers. And tapping on the double arrows here will expand it back to the standard mode there. You also have the other mode. When you tap on it, you got the floating keyboard. In floating keyboard mode, this is going to show up like this here, and you can hold on this tab here and move it where you want it to be and type with it. So that's your floating mode. Going back to the three dots here, you can go back to modes once again and switch to the standard. Standard is basically this here. Now you can also have the split screen keyboard, or shall I say split keyboard mode there. And for this to work, you want your app to go into the landscape view mode. You want to make sure your auto rotate is enabled. Make sure this right here is enabled, that one right there. Now, once that's turned on, if you have your phone go like this here into landscape mode, your keyboard's going to split apart like that here into the split screen mode like this here. Or should I just say split keyboard mode? All right. And then, of course, you can always come back here and switch back into the modes there. And you'll notice that when you're here like this here in split keyboard mode, you can also go back to the standard mode. So if you don't like the split in the landscape view mode, you can switch it back to standard. And that's that. Like and sub.